Do some portrait corrections in Photoshop using red eye correction and also Liquify that has facial recognition, so we can change facial features to some extent to make the model or the subject a little bit more appealing or look younger or fix some defects that come through the camera. So I will begin with the curves adjustment layer, and we will brighten this subject's face up because she's kind of dark. So I'm going to the correction and the curves adjustment layer, holding the left mouse button down and drawing up to brighten the face, get some more brightness in this photo. And I think that does a fairly nice job. Go back into the Layers panel and click on Background. Now let's correct the red eye. So we're going to the red eye tool, which is in the supplemental toolbox at the bottom, the three dots that go across. If you right click on it, you'll get a supplemental menu, and I will choose the red eye tool. And for the parameters for that tool, I've chosen a pupil size of 23% and a darken amount of 62%. So if we place the cursor and the crosshairs over the pupil and click, we'll get a nice correction to the red eye. Now we can go into the Liquify filter and we have a face-aware Liquify, which if we click on that and expand it, we can now look at changing some of the facial features. Now the eyes can be changed, and there is a sync tool right in the middle of the left and right eye. If you click on that, then when you choose one eye, both will respond to the same adjustment. So if I move to the left, the eyes get bigger. If I move to the right, the eyes get smaller. So you want to make minor adjustments. You can adjust the eye height. And the eye width. And the eye tilt. We don't really have to do that here. I'm leaving pretty much everything where it is, and the distance between the eyes can be broadened or shortened. So I'm just illustrating what we can do. The nose height can be changed up and down. The nose width, and I'll make her just a little bit narrower. We can give her a little smile, which is always pleasing, and we can correct the lip or mouth width, and the mouth height, which I won't do. But the face width I will make a little bit narrower. Drag the slider to the left. So that's a big difference. And these are the corrections you can make on a portrait that your client will probably appreciate.